Blockchain. It sounds complicated, right? Don't worry, it's not as scary as it seems. Imagine a digital notebook. This notebook records transactions, but it's not just any notebook. It's shared with everyone. This shared notebook is what we call a blockchain. This technology is changing how we think about money and information. It's like the early days of the internet. Lots of potential. Still a bit confusing. But stick with me, and you'll get it. Think of blockchain as a giant digital ledger. This ledger is spread across many computers. We call this a network. It's like a shared Google Doc, but way more secure. Each page in this ledger is a block. These blocks are linked together in a chain, hence blockchain. Every time a transaction happens, it's added to a block. Once a block is full, it's linked to the previous block. This creates a permanent, unchangeable record of every transaction. Pretty neat, huh? Here's where things get interesting. Blockchain is decentralized. This means no single person or company controls it. It's like a public park, owned by everyone. This is different from traditional systems, which are centralized. Think of a bank. Banks control your money. With blockchain, you are your own bank. You have more control. Decentralization makes blockchain more secure and less prone to attacks. Section 4. Trust but verify, securing the chain. But how do we trust a system with no central authority? That's where consensus mechanisms come in. These are like the rules of the blockchain game. The most common ones are proof of work and proof of stake. Imagine a puzzle. In proof of work, computers race to solve this puzzle. The first one to solve it adds the next block to the chain. This requires a lot of energy, but it keeps things secure. Proof of stake is more like a voting system. Those who own more of the cryptocurrency get to vote on which transactions are valid. Section 5. Blockchain's bright future. Blockchain is still young. Think of it like a teenager. Lots of potential, but still figuring things out. But the possibilities are endless. We're already seeing its impact in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. But it's not just about money. Blockchain can revolutionize voting, supply chains, and even healthcare. It can bring more transparency, security, and efficiency to many industries. This is just the beginning. The future of blockchain is bright.